sharpen a loop knife, the knife has to be sharpened from the inside. Sharpening the knife from the outside will make it so you can't cut into a horse's foot very well. So you'll actually run your blade through, just like the other knife. You're honing it back for a long slope. Both sides of your knife. As well as in the point. Feel if you have, keep doing that until you've created a little bit of a burr. Then you know the cutting edge is sharp. Got a little bit of a burr there. Take your honing stone. Now your burr will be on the inside. So you're filing on a slope on the inside and completely flat on the outside. Same as your other knife, only sharpened from one side. Feel if there's a burr. Burr is pretty well gone. Knife's razor sharp, ready to go to work.